beef, you know?
With beef. From a day and we can't get to do it, guys. Weather. But we have to near Marshland though. A bad weather pass, man. Yeah. A bad weather pass, man. To your step. I thought that's how we left here yesterday. Wash your tie, see. It's been a rainy week, people. Rainy week. Be weather. Yeah, man, we hardly can go do no adventure. Yeah, man, and we're gonna see Monday. We're gonna see Monday and we'll catch a little lobster and him something there, but we want to do some cookout. And we can't even get to do it, people. Be rain. And Lando, yeah, man, we can check out where I go on the beach side, you know? For the people. Boat full of water, amount of rain we fall, and we bail yesterday, you know. We bail out yesterday, we have to pull out the bung out of it. Yeah, man, make some of my water run out. Yeah, man. There, guys. There. Right now, today, in the afternoon, I best. I wonder if I cut the weather cut land now.
Cut, man.
Your visa, I miss the hope of weather in rain and forecast same way. You may say until next week, you know. I want that storm here, you know, the storm we are passing, you know, we're passing, you know, our 400 mile wing big spread, you know. If we are getting rain off, you know, and that go up in America, they know. Yeah, man. So weather cut off the sand, people. Yesterday, it's a place that we have level. And so it cut off yesterday after we left here. Yeah, man. Eh? You see soon cover back them, you know? You might cover back all of them, man. But the job way for Orlando? Eh? Since the job back for? Yeah, man, you gone back out. So guys, we're there, you know? Yeah, man, let out some water out of the boat. The rain water that way. Yeah, man. See your bung when pull? Ilando? I'm going to tell you, people, some bring the rain and fall for Sunday. And today our Thursday. Yeah, man. Eh? Ilando one full up. BL everything I swim. I can feel 1 hour 4 minutes turn. Yeah, man, the boat them full of water, people. That one day, no water in that one day. Then pull the bung. Water in there? Guys, the best we can do right now, I just show you a little what we're going with that sea. Yeah, man, we're going to show you what we're going with that sea. We can't go there. We can't go do no adventure, people. Be rain right through, non-stop. Flooding and all them something there. I take place. You understand? Be rain, my people. Be rain. You mean like be rain. You have to just lock in the house and can't come out. You understand? So we can't get to do no cook out on that video here what we're going to do. So what me going to do, guys, me going to just make one go ahead and watch But we're going with a see Monday. We're going to see Monday. You understand? And we want to do one little cookout pan, a surprise cookout, but we can't do it. We can't do it now because of the mud and water, guys. You understand? So we'll just go and take in a little ketchup. We're going with a see Monday. Promising you guys to do some great adventure and some other type of adventure. Because we did figure a hog bush. And we can't go hog bush because, as we say, a beer rain, guys. Beer rain. And we want to do some other kind of content. And we can't make no move. So right now, you just go and check out that one, you guys, until we can show you something else. You understand? So, Yanji, before you push the boat out at sea, you jump on the bow. You say that make you left you? Say, you know, come back for me. Ah, you know, easy. When you come on to weather, Stephanie, now I'm going to see. I just rain, man. The weather calm.
I tell you, Sam, if me out here, my name must come home.
Yeah, people, Steph, you out there. He must come home. But in the parlor and see where they go there night. Jaja God. Alright, guys. We there wait for shark, man. Now about 10 o'clock in the day. Yeah, man. As we say, we don't reach out the early already, people, but the weather, we don't watch the weather, you know? Yeah, man.
Morning. Hi, Steph. How are you? Hi, Junior.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
Where are you coming from?
For what? Do you believe me?
Yo, you been know if you talk to me, you know if you talk. I don't know now, man. You heard me have to tell him, I said, just give me a good time. Eh? You don't call me son, just give me a good time.
No notify no night, master. Captain call say, see, you have to live what you have to do.
Yeah, but I just said give me a good time because he biting down my foot. Oh. But if you didn't know me, you say that. Then why you not call me back?
Come, jump in.
Eh?
Jump in. I have to say a short quarter. Go on in.
Water.
Acha.
This lifestyle, I'm bringing back a big fish for you. I'm bringing back a big fish for you.
This lifestyle. Hello. Come on.
Yes, guys, we are go there now.
Fish are we picky?
Lobster.
Oh, lobster. No, man, fish is white, man. I
will lunch.
Huh?
I will lunch. Walk on us for lunch. Alright, guys. Yeah, man, we are going there. See what we can find. Alright, guys, we are looking for one of the NG pot. Yeah, man, remember the NG have 2 gang out of sea. Yeah, man, we are looking for. We are going to draw a theme pot first. And go put which part the next one there, you understand? Yeah, man, we say if him lucky like the one what there. Aye.
I know. Yeah, watch it.
And what the hell you wrap up on your balls?
Yeah?
You can't slump and rope around.
I said that's it loose.
Aye. Monday. I'm Monday carry out on Tuesday. A black man, that.
Spinning roll.
Mr. Lucky man, look this way you are going.
Alright?
Not even one.
Zero.
Alright.
Oh God.
Thank God serious still.
We see where head one are going.
We have a patch here, man.
Stand there at the patch.
Show one more around the setup.
Here. Mr. One you have it.
What?
Mr. One you have it. I get you. Come on again. Yeah, no, Mr. Lacy wire in here.
She's on wire, yeah. I don't know why I lazy.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I'm moving brother.
Yo man. You can't go back now, but I just soon in there.
Yeah, no, stop for Lacy wire in here.
All that can check up.
Yeah,
That can build up, that can lace up, man. That can cut like bust off like lace wire.
Alright, them a dash off back the brother D. Oh, sorry, Pat. Sorry, I put them a dash off back on the brother D. Yeah. So yes guys, see the pony hauling. Pulling. Yeah.
The Angie second part. Yeah, man.
Second part.
Ain't lucky one.
And this killifish them what they here.
Eh.
Yeah, man.
This one reach Alan already. Rocky man, make we see.
One good.
Hey, hands only go and jab 3 mesh.
This is where head one are going. Your side. Your side, yeah.
No man, your
side.
Tony.
I play tonight.
I play.
You know enough like over there, but we get a lobster this time, and we get some fish. Yeah man, give thanks and praise.
Yes, man.
Yeah man.
Food still in the can.
Alright.
Yeah.
Can't go to shop later.
No much, man.
We buy 1 pound of flour.
No buy no tea mackerel do it, no?
Me still have it, man, buy. I'm buy. We don't need tea mackerel. You know what I mean, Jula?
Eh? Oh, him. That's it. Alright, guys, so reach out for me pack set here now. Yeah, man, we have a job for me and Stephanie pack them here now. And see what I go on. Yeah. Come, Stephanie, let me see what I go on.
No, I can't Stephanie I call. Because Stephanie nah come so far yet. And so you must come out there do that. Eh?
Alright. They want to clean the thing, man.
Eh? I'm about to
and lobster night, what we are chat about? Hey boy, Lando, don't play with me. Stephanie, your big go.
Yeah, man. You see one nice size one man. Yes.
Yeah, man.
See there.
Good day.
Yeah, Jake, how I say come? No, let them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. There one there. Yeah, me see one round the south.
Still lobster night.
Yeah, man. Me see one round the healthy.
Yeah, man, about 2 pounds in my way.
Eh?
So guys, me I go explain something to you now. Always I say why we catch a small lobster. Alright, so let me explain to you guys. You have stone lobster and you have mud lobster. You understand? Mud lobster don't grow big like Tony Carr permission, man. That's one they understand. The mud lobster don't grow big like the stone lobster. You understand? So which part we are fishing are grass and mud. Stone lobster bigger than them lobster we are catching. So I know if we fall, guys. I just say word. I just word. You know? So please understand, guys.
When you find one couple lobster with big, you have to give thanks. Yes. So unless you go deep blue, go fishing. Go catch big lobster. Then they have rock out there something.
Yes, man.
Me nah go there so.
But a deep blue.
I
hear one this before mine. What's that? Hold, brother. Hold, brother.
You see lobster down there?
You see lobster down there?
You see lobster down there.
You little do.
Yeah.
Alright guys, me I want stone lobster here. Come like in stray and come inside in the mud here. So me I go show you. Yeah man, look on him belly. You see on him belly how black? That's a stone lobster. Yeah man, this is a mud lobster. You see difference in colour? Them a size lobster come off a stone. Yeah man, I'm bigger than this. Yeah man. Hey. How are you do?
A woman in fella.
Let's see a woman in fella. You get knocked here now. Place over here.
So GPS now work. GPS or GPS?
GPS.
Oh, sorry. You say GPS there now because I think I got the light.
We have too much ice. Give me a big one.
Second pot, you know? Not the second one of the day, you know?
Second one.
The second one.
Second one.
Yeah.
You reach already?
One reach already?
Yeah.
Let me see one lobster run, look
well. One lobster run?
Yeah man. One lobster run, put some small one in it.
Small one.
Yeah man, that one is not bad. That one is not bad. That one is not bad.
Not bad at all.
No badness, no go another one.
No.
Are good people, are good pitney them.
Yes.
Yeah, they show them color.
Yeah, man, one nice yellow tail in night.
I'll come back out at you.
Me use the left side of that one.
You say here's the left side of that
Use
one.
the left side of that one. Alright, left side of that one.
Left side of that one.
Left side of that one then.
Yes.
Yeah, me see them too. People don't look over there and they have size over there so. Oh no, size up with me over there so. But I told them that book in the near my mouth. One book in the near my mouth. Yeah, I see that in your mouth clean. Look, you know him. Yeah, man, in your mouth clean. I'm busy aircraft there now. Watch him.
Them a show sign of goat, man.
Alright, sir.
Yes, guys, that kitchen not bad. That kitchen not bad. Yeah, man. Puffer fish. Yes, guys, so, yeah, man. We are finding little food. Little jack in this.
Yes, sir.
One cocoa.
Full the basket.
Full the basket.
Yeah, man. And the basket can't full.
Right at the edge.
So, Junior, when me want finish, you see, I'm go basket, I'm go cook alone, can't full basket.
Eh?
Banana can't full your yam.
No, banana. Yeah, yam can go in. You want banana in a basket.
And that shit.
And that shit. But them are going in a bag.
Oh, actually you have to go single cocoa them.
Oh.
You know, you have to go single.
A little thing you want them.
So you get one.
Oh.
Them with them ready. That one patch of it.
Okay. Alright, so see that.
Alright. They want the hefty,
Yeah, man.
They want the hefty.
Man,
You have find some good size lobster, guys.
You know, them fish them funny little big, you know, fish them come out of them, you know. All you see them wash out back.
Yeah, they funny. They look so. They funny. They don't look like they ain't good, man.
They're too big, man.
Squeeze up the good. Squeeze it short, the Angie.
Squeeze in short, the Angie.
Like the fish will come out of that, man.
Yeah, man. And as they look too big, man. Lobster crawl right back out of that.
That must man. Squeeze up it short. Close it short. Short.
You don't know about your throat there? Squeeze your one throat. Oh, sorry.
No, man, I'm trying to squeeze something good, but I can't.
Hey, man, make lobster the jump out of the boat, no. That one there, no. I eat food, in there, no.
And a big lobster that, you know?
I biggest one, you know.
That lobster they around 2 pounds, you know?
Yo, see there. The Angie, man, freak out, you know. Come in, big pot. Big pot. A plastic, this is about me, yeah.
I look like a jack in it.
And the coconut.
Go pull it up. Pull this, mine.
See like me see lobster do, you
Yeah,
know.
man, look like sitting in it.
See like me see lobster.
Yeah, man.
See like me see lobster, you know. See like me see lobster. See like me see lobster. Yeah, man. See in it. You know just so.
Then I go and buy the shark, man.
Then take time to come on.
Yes.
Yeah, come on.
They go sit now, go on.
Yeah, man, you go sit down.
See them guys, look. See them guys. See them. See size of them. Yeah, man. Nice size of them. Yeah, man. See them there. Yeah. You call lobster. You hear them. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man, I saw them clap hard.
That one is soft.
Yeah, man, pretty way, man.
Guys, this is a food I find. Yeah, man, food I find, man.
Real king, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
They're nice, man. Look on that big one there, Angie. You didn't see him.
Daddy,
Now hold him tail, we bust your finger.
Hi, daddy.
Yeah, man, food I find, brother. Lando.
Yeah, man, you want him?
Nice on the right, man.
Yeah, boil him.
Nice on the right.
Yeah, boil him. What you do here? You don't want to boil him.
Yeah, man, they have size. Yeah, man.
light like that. Something.
When you shoot the light, it's heavy.
Nah man, when fishing night is light. The
Oh.
fish them floaty and the lobster them, you know.
Oh. Chrissy.
Chrissy.
Chrissy. Come up, Chrissy. If you like. Big
Come to
lobster.
big lobster, you know.
Yeah, man.
That is a be a sulkul we a catch.
Eh? So who are cool?
Sulkul.
Alright, sir.
Anything one named sulkul is
Big.
huge.
Okay. Massive.
My language.
Okay.
Sulkul.
Yeah. We're finding it. Soul cool.
Sulkul.
Yeah, just like I tell you, fishing the man, brother. You can't build up on your one expect to shoot them. I mean, you fishing the man.
You see, I'm going like, you know what? We find him full in full.
Full in full.
Full in full.
That's why I'm going like
Yeah.
my height far away.
Yeah, man. I'm full in full, man. I fish dry away, no?
I fish the highway.
What you talking about?
Alright, let me see.
Yeah, man.
Let me see where I go short, man.
Yeah, man. Fishing night till you take time and swim way. Creep way. Fish and lobster.
Feel like I will give them 2 weeks soak instead of 1 week. Then go and catch color and fishing better.
So if you want to catch color, you know, PNT.
And that my plan to do no help paint for them they catch color. What? Some black paint. Yeah man. Just some black paint for them.
I just don't know.
Lobster, you know, see lobster. See lobster shot, man.
Yeah, man, I see lobster fan 4, man. I see lobster fan 4, man. I tell you, man, see this?
Yeah.
I tell you, see, that's why you don't have find him, man.
I lobster them.
Stand up. Stop.
Stand up. Soldier. Come in, ready.
Yeah, man. Tell you, man. Tell us if I lobster them a jaw away, pat, man. See them a creep with him, man. Alright, guys. Wait for the next one. So you look. I want to look, not look too bad. You see that one, yeah? Eh? Put up food in a boat. Food in a boat. Food in a boat. Food in a boat. Oh, sir. It don't look so bossy. Yeah, smalls. One big one in it still. Eh? Better no. Yeah, man. One big one in this. Better no.
Yeah, better not, of course, yeah.
So yes, guys. See it? Lobster not bad, not true. Yeah, man. Not bad. See here. What?
Yeah, but I don't know if you have can, you know,
I want balloon.
I want balloon.
Yeah, one balloon in there.
You have to go to the one dimension, I'll get it. Where lobster then?
Where lobster? You ask me where lobster then? I don't know. You have to go down and ask them where they end it.
I have to pull out them, I know.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That one have food in it, man.
They say one side dark.
Yeah, man. One food. Food, not that one.
Yeah.
Food over there, man.
Yeah.
man.
That one they full up. Yeah, man. Good sign.
Brother D!
Brother B.
Brother B.
God is good!
All the time.
We pray!
God deliver.
Alright.
I'm not talking to beer.
Brother D.
I'm passing up on the mouth. I'm not going to school and I'm trying beer right now.
Eh.
Passing up on the
Nah,
mouth.
man. You can't tell me that, man. My finger crossed on my toe, brother.
Why you wish out, man?
My finger crossed on my toe.
Watch me now, watch out. Remember now.
So, you can't box me no do now. Eh? Huh?
When me need see two parts in the shop, man.
Yeah, man. Me lock me toe in my shoes, man. Eh? You lying, lying don't do that when him box you and he box the hat in a man. Eh? I'm telling him so, yo.
Me no play the engine in the shop, man. No, you can't lick it so, man. Because sometimes they might lick you, you know, man.
And box your heart, man. And then
we on a back up, it back of you them.
man,
The back up from
I tell you, if you man shop, you know, go one side, go cry, man, because you're hot.
Man, I want to run the eye, man. You can't. But you can't ball in front of
Man, you can't be
everybody.
lazy. Go one side, go back. Man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, food.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Load pot them beat up the whole eye in that pot there.
Tell you.
So when I run guard deep and I shallow the end there.
Shallow the end.
Yeah, man.
But you here is the mental land to make we guard deep.
Yeah, man.
And you everybody back up down in here.
Yeah, you understand? Yeah. We are going to put one whistle in the pot, they make you whistle and call the lobster then.
Yes guys, so we there try see if we can catch one kingfish or barracuda. We are doing for 2 line, you understand? Yeah man, 2 line overboard. Yeah man, we have 2 line overboard. Hopefully we can show something in a Kuno bottom today, you know? Yeah man. So this like we have some lobster in there, so when we reach a land we show you catch, you understand? Yeah man, when we reach a land we show. DNG, what do you?
You want pee-pee?
So why you don't want to go pee-pee?
We can't do it so.
Oh, you mean you can't do it so?
Me a principle, me can't manage it so.
What kind of principle do you see? Better you take out your something on your pee-pee.
Hey, you want if you catch a life boy, we jump off.
So what boat you want to go?
You know, you have to go make one bathroom for your boat.
Oh, wait. A man come and see a man take out there's something on pee-pee.
You see, I'm going to look funny, me can't see it so.
Whoa! So you have to piece up yourself?
You know that I'm telling you about pee-pee.
Hey, but I've been put them out, you know.
Eh?
Hey, but I've been put them out, you know.
They are wholly ready.
Yes, man. Can't pee-pee so.
I chill at them, man. We don't have free up.
Can't pee-pee
I'm back to everybody have free up for the show. I chill at them.
That's why I've been on the one going on chill.
Yeah, my boy.
Ready. I know say work. So man, if you want pee-pee, what you have to do?
You gotta go right up, there's no lean.
Okay.
What do you tell you couldn't pee-pee? What do you miss you?
Oh, me peace. Why on that?
Juna, you remember what you couldn't pee-pee?
Oh.
And Juna's also the adjutant too.
Where? You don't want to make us see me piece out.
Yeah, man, you have to put the tailpipe overboard and pee-pee, man.
Shut down to me, man.
Yeah, you have to jump off.
Can't pee-pee so good.
You want to jump off?
No, sir. That's how like.
So yes guys, here we are going on. Mas Junior, sir, I go look on red tail.
Right here, sir.
Yeah man, my red tail. I'm going to jump off right here, so go look on red tail.
Look for one part of the land and see if we find out fish.
Yeah. Brother, I go with him.
I mean, I look keep pot where they might take me all the way.
Alright. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Action.
They got with the pot, man.
You go thief them, man.
They take you and do. They got with the
Yeah, man,
pot.
go and thief, man.
They got. They take you, man.
I said, you want to tell them, man. You know, man, you say, wait. I said, they don't say, no, call them, man. I don't call them, man. I call my name, you know, brother. No, go ahead to thief, brother. Man, it's so thief, man, pot, brother. Man, it's so thief, pot, brother.
Look, man. Tell me difference in I two of them.
This your brother.
No, sir. No, sir. Tell me difference of the 2 lobster right now.
A man and woman.
It's a male and a female. So show me male.
Yes, this is a part of
Easy no Lando, easy Lando, easy. Show me male.
Yeah, they said that when they are female, can lay out, look how in this one belly look. So put it.
Miss want to see here, so me know.
Watch out, man. Watch out. Look on them foot.
One.
Look on the woman one. Yeah, one.
One.
And here one clap under one day.
Yeah,
This
this
is a man lobster.
the 2 back one.
This one now,
So you know that.
see a double paw.
Oh, so him a female.
He's a female.
And the male one.
So I'm worried, you know. You saw foreign left from a stone lobster this side, you know. We are mud.
But watch out now, I'm going to show you something. He live against something, that's why I'm coming. You know, just coming.
something did when live against.
No stone.
I lay in layout, see there? Just layout. In just layout, see there?
Me see if I
Just
can come in. Me see if I can come in.
I say,
Feel the difference.
them are brother.
Them heavier.
Feel it. Watch my name, Papa.
Hey man, what I go heavy?
Man, I'm not here. You may have here.
Two of them are the same way. Two of them are the same way. Him way heavy and you.
You can breathe out. Don't you mean? I right. You can put that telling you.
That's right.
Right.
Feel him, Bianchi.
Yeah.
Feel it.
Man, I'm here. Find my same side.
No, sir. Me can't.
Yeah, man, that one
me
heavy.
can't feel it.
Oh, that one heavy.
Let me
That
feel
one
it.
heavy.
You have a little weight more.
Yeah, that one heavy.
Him have a little bit more weight more.
I scale that.
Yeah, man, he heavy.
He lighter, man.
All my head, all my head part, I heavy the weight. And
Lucky. That the lobster yesterday now. I had him match out there. But him live against something right there saying.
Yeah, man, you can't get anything.
Can't him not hatch out unless either piece of wood be there, one tire or something half it did it.
It's like a piece of stone.
Something half it did it for him hatch out. You know just hatch out.
Grown up school.
Yeah?
Can I catch one winch?
You get to a winch man with him.
Alright guys, see you catch ya. So I go and I do ya. I dip in. Not bad. Yeah man.
I took myself.
The fish kind of thin this week guys, but
I use up there, so I'm with my board. You know, set the ice,
we just turn you out.
Good fish ducky man.
But. I know me one. The Angie are fishing there, I say the Angie catch ya.
I put the Angie back no man. The Angie back no
You see this thing? Yes guys, so that I like to catch a fish, you know. And see if your brother did catch ya.
Julia, check your weather.
Eh?
Check your weather.
This morning, means and good weather, but with rain.
Scrape as we say, we're not gonna see when I carry too much ice.
If you one time we carry too much ice, don't go for fish no catch. I saw Squid say you carry too much ice, guys see no fish no catch. You have to carry ice of course. So stay for we get some market, you know.
Me don't know.
Eh?
Me don't know.
We don't know where I get back for go put them on fridge.
Make it one of the big one there.
A year party kitchen. One of them kitchen in your pot, so anything you want to do, you're free to do it.
We just have boil him.
Eh?
For what?
The big one them 6. 350. So you want more lobster upon the amount when me see you with?
Yeah, they want big one for
one bag of lobster you have over there, so Steph, it's a blue bag there full of lobster. You know?
man, are you?
Go on.
Take out them two lobster.
This?
The lobster is soft.
What's that lobster do? This thing.
Big one.
Big one. Big one.
So yes guys, thank you all for watching. You don't know, make it to the end of that video because my name close off the video as me say the video will continue with some cookout, but due to the weather where we are go through, we can't get figure do no farmer content guys. No farmer content we can't do. God work, we have no control over God work. We have to just sit and watch and wait until Father God done do for him work before we can go do for we work. You understand? Because end the idea, see all of them good weather we have passed. It may have damaged some place, but it will work out in our favor in another way. Because this west wind will come up and when you see good as get some fish good as come in with it also. You understand? Because we are up on the south part of Clarendon here, so when time we get west wind, when it's weather come from down in the west or southwest, some fish and lobster always come up. So hopefully when we go back and see, we can catch some fish, palanca fish. And my sister, you guys like the palanca fishing. I want to give you some more palanca fishing, also some deep water chat fishing. Yeah man, deep water job I should say. Yeah man, I want to go to some deep water job, same way I want to do some strolling. Because we are getting 1 and 2 gears same way for some rigmen for do some strolling, you understand? We have a whole of content guys, and as I say, when we go hog bush, when we go do some hog hunting, because we have some guests have to fly down from overseas. I understand where we need to do some cook. We have to do some cook out for them. Book them date already, and them need wild hog. So we have to go hunt some hog. You understand? Yeah man. So thank you guys for watching. As we said, we have to go and watch and see what go on with the weather before we can make no more move. So hope you guys understand. Yeah man, I know a few of you guys will understand, and you have some where we still not understand because they feel like so we make blood out of stone. You understand? Just like how we say we do a little thing and we have a boat where we are trying to put you out to see if we make another income and we see some comments, but we don't watch them still. Because we know I distract them, I try to distract where we don't have time for them. You understand? Progress we say uplift yourself and make yourself better in a life. You understand? Yeah man. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully by today is Thursday, hopefully by Saturday, Sunday we can go to something same way. You understand? So pray for weather stop guys, and after the weather stop, you can give us some content. So looking at in the comment, yeah man, the new phone number go in there, the new WhatsApp number go in there. So all of who where I make them bookings and I want to make a bookings and can't get to me, yeah man, looking at comment section and we see number, because the last video that I put up, I forgot to put the number up on the screen and I end up putting a comment. You understand? I end up pinning it in the comment, so you can looking at the comment and we see it, or also in the description. Yeah man, any one of them on feel for looking at, you can see the new WhatsApp number to contact. Because remember guys, we have, if you don't come to Jamaica or even local and you want boat ride or you want to go to sea, go do some fishing, you can contact me and we make you know how everything go. You understand? Cooking adventure, same way. Anyone who want to go, if you want to go to a river and get boat ride, go to a river, go do cooking adventure, we have all of that same way. You understand? So we just line up everything and now step by step guys. So you just contact me. Yeah man. Until then, catch you in our next adventure.